drive it as many miles as we can. XCD recommends that you put at least 500 miles on their clutch. This thing needs an oil change. After about 200 miles, I wanted to check how much oil I had burnt off, and I had noticed that the oil was pitch black on this thing. So to show you, that is very dirty. Very, very dirty. So, luckily, I had some oil laying around, and that was not that expensive. It takes 5 quarts of 5W30. I'm going to use 5 quarts of 5W40 Whirl Purple since it's a good brand and I don't feel like wasting it. But I do need an oil filter. So I'm on my way to the auto parts store. Hopefully they have it in stock. Oil's changed, filter's changed. As you can see, I went with the Super Tech because I'm super cheap. Thanks for watching.